Welcome back, everybody. So I want to show you how to embellish the heart chain. This is the classic heart chain. I did a tutorial on this, and I used 4 different ribbons. I used orange, black, and white in the regular acetate, and then I used this white crackle, and I cut them in 8-inch strips. I used number 5 ribbon. So I cut the middle piece, which is a black piece, and it's the same size that I used for these. I cut it at about 20 inches long because I wanted to make an 18-inch braid. So I needed to make sure that I had space up here to hang it from the mumbacker. Now you can see I have a little bit of excess there. I didn't have quite enough room to make one more heart, so I just need to cut that off at the end. And you can cut it, all of them, just to make sure that they're all straight if you want to. So I'm just going to cut 3 rows. And looks like 3 by 3, or maybe 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 by 4. Okay, so I'm just going to put some glue on one side of this. Just tap that down and lift it up and put some more glue on it. I prefer to glue the diamond mesh instead of the ribbon, because the heat can make the ribbons curl, so you just want to be careful about that. So I always try to put the glue on whatever I'm putting onto the ribbon. That way it won't curl up the ribbon. Sometimes it doesn't do it, but sometimes it does, and it can make your braid or chain look funky. So just, again, gluing that, doing one side at a time. Doesn't take very much, and just tap that down because there's all those empty spaces, so you can burn yourself. So if you just tap it quickly, you're least likely going to burn yourself. I'm going to glue 3 of those, and it doesn't take very much glue. I'm just going to put it there and tap it down again. Just raise that up. Glue a few at a time. You just want to go as high as your hearts are. And if you need to add glue to any one of them, you can just kind of push it under there. It looks like they're all on there good. See how pretty that is? Just by adding some mesh to that. And I get this in sheets at Hobby Lobby in the scrapbooking section. It's more in the aisle where the bottle caps are. And they do run it half price. It's, I think it's like $2 half price for one strand of this like this. You can get it online too. I just keep stocking up every time I go to Hobby Lobby and they run it on sale. So here you go. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching, guys.